Well, I'm on deck 16 at the back of the MSC Seascape, and this is called the Bridge of Sighs. Fixing to walk across it. First, we'll take a look over the back. There's the infinity pool down there. If you're a little nervous about heights, it's probably not a place you want to be. Stop and swing out. Get a shot of it. The Bridge of Sighs. Get you a shot what it looks like. Look, goes right off the back of the ship. And again, there's the infinity pool down there. Pretty neat bridge. If you're on the Seascape, definitely come to the back, and if you're not scared, walk across it.